G'day viewers, Dodger Moore and welcome. Take 2, weekend getaway. Let's hit the road.
Traffic, it's bloody rain. How are you going? Okay? All good? Bloody roadworks again. What can you say? Have rain, have roadworks, have traffic, have everything today. Oh well, we'll get there eventually. Okay, we've just been waiting there for over 10 minutes and we finally got the go ahead to move on. Buggered if I know what the delays are. I know they're doing roadworks and they're overdue, but that was one hell of a long stay. We've got a light. Just hopefully we don't get caught up in it, because they are quite a long wait, that's for sure. Well, that's Victoria for you. Roadworks on every trip I do. Or at least you get a good look at the vineyards anyway. It looks like the end of it. Or not. It's a bit hard to see with this caravan in front of me. That's why I've sort of dropped back a little bit. Oh no, it still continues. Jeez, they're doing a fair bit here. Might get a bit of wind noise, sorry about that. But yeah. Got the visor open at the moment. Here is the end of it. That's fair enough. Quite a few cars and trucks waiting already. Okay, well today is the 19th of April and this is a continuation of our video, my previous video which I posted with the breakdown, where we decided that we'll go out this weekend because the weather's not too bad actually. And yeah, we're heading in the direction of Yea, and we will be going to Thornton and camping there for the night or two. But yeah, in my previous video I had problems with my chain and sprocket. I got in contact with the mechanic and yeah, told him about the fact that the nut come off, and he apologised, and yeah, so he apologised, and he refunded me labour costs for the stuff up that they did. So yeah, wasn't happy about it. I'm happy that he acknowledged that it was a mistake, and so on. But yeah, it's time to move on and get on with the journey, I suppose. Yeah, cool. So the missus is caught behind a couple of cars behind me. She's taking it a little bit easier today. But yeah, time to move on. Okay, just coming into Glenburn. This is about the area that I broke down last Friday. So yeah, I had to push it up here. There's servo just past that big green sign, United Servo. Yeah, that's where I was stuck for 3 or 4 hours. I'm not stopping there today. We'll pull up at Yea or Molesworth and have a bit of a break, and then from there it's only probably half an hour's ride to Thornton, and we'll set camp. Sort of want to set up camp before it gets too dark. We've lost daylight savings now, so around 6 o'clock it'll get dark. It's around about 4-ish. That clock's wrong. But yeah, and we'll probably go to the pub for a meal tonight, and then tomorrow we'll do some cooking. We'll end up going to the grocery shop in Eildon and doing all our food shop tomorrow. Yeah, so highly recommend if you're travelling along the Melbourne Highway, yeah, just sit back from traffic because there's a shitload of potholes still around, and some of them are quite deep. At least if you know, you're sitting back a fair bit, got time to react. You're sitting right behind them, you'll hit them. You sit right behind another car and you can't see too much of the road in front. Yeah. Bit of traffic on the road. Wasn't expecting that. It's not a long weekend or anything special. But yeah. The missus is travelling behind me. She's doing quite well. She's loving it. She's loving the Versys. I asked her the other day if she was interested in getting a monkey bike, and she told me to get stuffed. Okay, 9 k's to go to Yea. We'll have a bit of a break. Stretch those legs. Yea. What can I say? We're in Yea. We'll stop off around here somewhere, stretch the legs, might actually even top up with petrol. We'll just park here. How you going? You enjoy? Yeah? What'd you use, oil? Nah. No, it must be already there. It's not your oil.
Oh,
No, I don't think so. How busy was the traffic? I love you too. Okay, let's have a bit of a rest here and then we'll keep going. Okay, we've just filled up the bikes. We got 22 litres in, yeah, the two of the bikes. That's not too bad. Spoke to the lady inside. She said it's roughly about 25 minutes to Alexandra. And then there's another 13 or 14 k's after that to Thornton, so another half hour, I reckon. Oh. Okay, you're right. Okay, got petrol. Off to Alexandra now, and then from Alexandra to Thornton. So this is the main street of Yea. It's pretty quiet. Normally it's packed on the weekend with motorbikes and whatnot, and people coming up for the weekend. Town Hall, it's quite nice. Okay. Boys in blue. Off to Molesworth, and then there's a turn off there. It goes to Alexandra. Okay, we're in Alexandra. We're just going to ride through this place. Might have to put her on the bucket list to come and stay here. I'm going to head straight towards Eildon. But yeah, that's the main street there. It looks quite nice, that township. I'd have to come back for that one. Okay, we're in Thornton, and yeah, let's go to the campground, set up camp and go and have something to eat because I am starving. On the left, 400 meters. A mate of mine, Darren, recommended this caravan park. He said it was pretty good. The campsites are right on the river, so yeah. Well, that's the pub that we're going to be going to tonight. Hopefully they got meals on. Okay, So this is the campground. We've got unpowered sites for 2 nights, $90. Got everything here. You've got hot showers, kitchen, the whole lot. And we're on the river. Playground. That's looking pretty cool. There's the tree with the thongs. Okay. So anywhere along here. So he reckons. Yeah. Just be careful when you put it on the stand. Is it going to stay? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, to help me lift up. Just lift the back up. 1, 2, 3, go. That's better. Yeah. No, that's alright. We can move them later. We'll just set up camp first. Look at the river. No. There's the river. The Goulburn. Okay. Let's set up the tent. Happy? If it gets too cold tomorrow night, we can get a fire. Okay. But tonight we're going to go to the pub anyway, so it should be alright. Okay, let's set up camp. What are you doing? You happy?
Yep, pretty happy.
Good, isn't it? It's going to be cold tonight.
No, I don't think so.
Anyway, you ready to go to the pub?
Yep.
Let's go get something to eat.
Yep, okay, sure.